Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Brito. I am currently working as a nutritionist at Fitterfly Health Tech. I have completed my bachelor's and master's degree in foods, nutrition and dietetics from College of Home Science, Nirmala Niketan. As a part of my MSc dissertation, under the guidance of Ms. Vibha Hasija, I had developed nutrition education material for pediatric cancer patients and their caretakers. The tools included a board game, a slideshow presentation and an educational video for the patients, and a group discussion protocol, a slideshow presentation, a recipe booklet, and a role skit play with flashcards for their caretakers. The board game was translated into Hindi and Marathi for a larger outreach. I will show you a small demonstration on the concept of the board game now. This is the English version of the board game. The board game includes different stops of treatment that a patient undergoes, on which they will be asked to pick a card. For example, lands on chemotherapy. The child will be asked to pick up a food from the food trunk. If the food is a healthier option, they will be asked to play along. This was done to make the patients understand that the right choices of food during treatment will help in better recovery and tolerance for the treatment. There were also stops on the board game that focused on neutropenic diet guidelines. For example, if the patient stopped on the correct guideline, they would be handed a bonus card. This was done to make the patients focus on the main features of neutropenic diet guidelines. The bonus card would act as a token of correct choices. One of the steps also focuses on weight changes, in which if the patient has acquired the correct weight gain, they would get passed through a bonus route. This was done to explain the patients the importance of weight during treatment, and achieving ideal weight would help sustain treatment better. As said before, the food trunk also comprised of foods which were unhealthy. In cases of this, the child would have to skip a turn. The reason to skip a turn was to make them understand that unhealthy foods will put a halt to their treatment as well. Keywords like recovery were used at the end of the game so that children feel that if the guidelines of neutropenic diet are followed, they will be victorious in the tackling of disease condition and preventing any further complications. Motivational words have an important role in rehabilitation outcomes, and this is the goal of the game. The board game has been highly appreciated by my peers and dietetic professionals. It has won the Utkarsh IDA Award, the Nirmal Seva Puraskar from Nirmala Niketan, and recently won the Quality Awards for Excellence in Clinical Nutrition Innovation at the national level. The efficacy of board game as a nutrition education protocol for pediatric cancer patient, a pilot study, has also been published in the International Journal for Creative Research Thoughts. We are also in process of making the board game digitally available as a computer game and in the process of copyright. NSI's goal is to promote accurate scientific knowledge and help students and professionals enhance their careers. As a life member of NSI, I support and contribute to the endeavors of NSI Mumbai chapter to inspire budding nutritionists through my innovative achievements. Thank you.